Hello everyone, I'm Juan Manuel Rojas, a student in the Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, UNAT. And I am right now a student in the course Numerical Methods. In this course, we have learned a lot of things. We have solved exercises about linear algebra, differential calculus, integral calculus, and also EDO. Through this course, we have learned how to transform all this information in not just not have the information about how to use the numerical methods, but we also develop a lot of exercises through notebooks and Google Colab. Or also we can work with Jupyter Notebook that let us understand how to use the software development to create new solutions that let us use all these topics in our daily work. These tools all these tools are really useful in a lot of areas. For example, when we analyze the terrain, topographic area, or also for example for militaries, there have to use a lot of data to analyze or rebuild the terrain through information. For example, the LiDAR is a technology that let us collect a lot of dots from the ground, and later in front of computer we can make a lot of measures. For example, the inverse distance weight is an algorithm that let us rebuild the terrain through a cloud of points. So this is just one of the uses. There are a lot of uses. For example, with a lot of data through the time, we can try to understand how could be the next event. We can make a kind of predictive analysis about any event with a lot of information, obviously. And we can identify, for example, the causality or correlation between information that we are analyzing. All of these technologies or all of this math information is really important when you want to use numerical methods, because through this course we have learned how to use complex concepts to make better algorithms to let solve the useful cases in our life engineers. I think that with this introduction I have explained how the course can help us to make better engineers using the numerical methods. And obviously, like engineers, we have to learn a lot of and put in practice a lot of this information in our daily work. But the data scientists are the persons, are the people, sorry, that are usually working with these kind of technologies, and they develop large language models like ChatGPT and others that we can find in Hugging Face. All of these models were built through the knowledge of numerical methods that let us understand how is the relationship into the data to make predictions that let, for example, to ChatGPT, let identify how to how can it answer some of our questions when we send a prompt, for example. And there are a lot of technologies that use, for example, when we use the visual computing is other branch of this no, of the numerical, when numerical methods are really useful. We do a lot of operations between matrix, so that lets us understand that the numerical methods is really useful in our industry, like in informatic engineers, and also when we decide to work like data scientists are really most important. So I have, this is my abstract about this topic, and I hope you enjoy learning all this information about this course, Numerical Methods. Thanks teacher, thanks everyone, bye bye.